Popin Media.
Declaration of results for NRM primaries, Kayunga District, Constituency Member of Parliament 2025. I, Chivumbi Yamada, being the NRM Electoral Commission Returning Officer for NRM primaries for the position of Constituency Member of Parliament Bali Constituency, hereby declare the results as follows. Emelikwa Dennis 1,287. Abra Chiza 13,811. Kumama George Wilson Nsamba 8,065. Naiga Florence 3,020. Emelikwa Dennis percentage is 5.5%. Chiza Arthur 58.8%. Kumama George Wilson Nsamba Kumama 34.3%. Naiga Florence making a total of 1.4%. I therefore declare Chiza Arthur, who has both the highest
Tereza simio nawe kwingiramu
timu yaffe nekora nnyo tugenda mu bantu tumanya ebizibu by'abantu abantu ne batutegeera ekyolaba akoze bwe tutyo. Guno omulimu si gwangenzeka ng'omuntu, guno omulimu gw'abantu b'Ebaale, abawagizi be NRM na ttiimu yange ekoze nnyo kujjayo kino.